Do you guys, and that's a good point to bring up, it's 2020. Amazon has destroyed the mom and pop retailer. Walmart did too before that. Are you concerned at all with a risk of, say, AI or some big name coming into the business and gobbling up market share and making your job harder? Or do you think this business is different in some way?
No. I mean,
Why would be good to do.
like life insurance, you've got the Policy Genius, these guys out there that's kind of got it all automated. I know that, Medicare, they've got call centers, and we run into a lot of folks. That's one of the questions I ask during my needs assessment is, how did you get this and where and when? Because I want to know. And so, no, I don't. Sure, you're always going to have those people. If they do automate it somehow where they can click a button and it's taken care of next day or whatever, sure, you're always going to have those people who think they're avoiding getting sold or whatever it may be. You're always going to have those people in whatever industry that is. But no, at the end of the day, these people, especially the ones over 65, they don't want to depend on technology. They don't want to make a mistake. They understand it's their health insurance, and one mistake could cost them hundreds or thousands of dollars. So no, I don't believe that. I'm not nervous, at least, that anybody's going to come in here and develop some sort of technology that's really just going to take it all away from us. I believe they're going to want that personalization, what Kenny had said earlier, the relationship. They want to know at the end of the day that they're being taken care of and that they've made the best choice.
And to add to that, there is always going to be a certain segment of the population that just buys something over the phone. And that's fine, right? Like, there's always been that, and there will continue to be that. And maybe it will even grow as seniors become a little bit more adept to Facebook, cell phones, technology. And so there's always going to be that. And I'm sure that the technology market will grow in the senior market, but so will the need for face-to-face agents. Because for every person that's willing to just buy something over the phone, there's another person that says, I don't understand what you're talking about. Like, I need to sit down with someone face-to-face and see this. And I'll also throw something out there. I love these call centers. I mean, they're practically giving me business, because not all of them, but many of these big call centers, they just pick one or two plans and they just throw it against the wall, tell them what's beautiful about the plan. And they don't even take so I'll sit with somebody and they'll go, I got this plan and none of my doctors take it and 3 of my drugs aren't covered and I'm just in a mess. And now not only am I able to help them, not only am I able to make some money, but I'm their savior, right? And so listen, this stuff, I don't want to scare anyone off, but it's not something you're going to learn overnight. You have to learn these plans. They're very, like, depending where you live, your plans are a lot different in Texas than in California than in Montana. And that's not an obstacle. That's actually a benefit to the agent, because it makes you indispensable. A call center in Idaho is not going to have intricate knowledge of the networks and the needs and the nuances of your market. So you are now indispensable. So Dave, there is going to be more technology that's going to reach seniors, but just as quickly, the need for face-to-face agents will grow equally, if not faster. So.
Yeah, that's what's nice about this, is ultimately this is a service-driven line of business. Our clients are old enough to probably prefer that. And I think you can rely on it because this is complex. We take it for granted, our knowledge of insurance versus, the common man. It's many times it's just over their heads. And just somebody to take the complex and simplify it is pivotal. Hey guys, are you looking around for a final expense opportunity and all of them seem kind of scammy or wishy-washy? Do you feel like you don't want to go to Kool-Aid drinking rah-rah events or waste your time in endless morning conference calls, and you just want to go out and sell and produce and not have to recruit the whole world who has a pulse? If that's you, then I want you to go to my website to learn more about how my program works to help those of you agents out there, new or experienced, become top producers, not recruiters, producers, selling final expense, and how I've helped tons of agents do exactly what you're looking for. I help agents across the country sell final expense. It has been a focal point in my career for many years, and I am dedicated now at this point in my life to those agents out there who believe
mastery of final expense is important and want to work with someone who has the street cred and experience selling final expense. So here's how you learn more about how my program works. Go to davidduford.com, click the button at the top that says Join Dave's Agency, and there you'll see all sorts of content that will describe to you how my final expense program works and give you the opportunity to figure out if what I do makes sense for you. So check that out, davidduford.com. Go to the button that says Join Dave's Agency to learn more. Thanks for watching. See ya. Hey there, thanks for watching my video. And if you want to sell Medicare, then here's what you need to do. I can help you with that. We have an entire sales and marketing program designed for new agents or experienced agents that want to up their game when it comes to selling Medicare Advantage. If you'd like to learn more about how our program works and how we have agents that are writing 15 to 20 Medicare Advantage plans a month directly using Medicare leads, or if you want to learn how to cross-sell Medicare Advantage to your final expense leads so you can develop a passive income stream, here's what you need to do. Go to davidduford.com, click the Join Dave's Agency button at the top of the menu, and then you'll be able to see where you get more information on the Medicare Advantage program so you can learn more how it works and what the process is in getting started. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.